Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome to a new video. Welcome to all my new subscribers who have subscribed to my channel. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. And if there's anyone out there who's watching my videos and you would like to subscribe to my channel, it is okay for you to subscribe to my channel. And if any one of my subscribers want to ask me any question, I am here to answer any question. Okay guys, so today I'm making some chicken leg, some Jamaican style baked chicken leg. Okay guys, thanks again to all my new subscribers and welcome. Okay, this is my chicken leg that I have washed and seasoning, but I'm not going to remove the skin because when I bake it I want it to taste so juicy. Okay, so I am going to add some olive oil to my baking container. This is my chicken that I add to my dish, my baking dish. Now I'm going to add it to my oven. Okay. Yes, this is my baked chicken, and it is so juicy and it's looking so juicy and nice. Now I'm going to cook my gravy for my chicken. Then add some onion. Next I'm going to add some Irish. Then I'm going to add a sweet pepper, some spice, the ketchup, black pepper, little onion, and some Worcestershire sauce. And I'm going to add some water to this. Cover my pot and let all these vegetables cook down, and then when it go down to gravy I will come back to my pot. Okay, I have pureed out my vegetable that I have added to my pot to make my gravy, and this is my gravy. So this is my baked chicken, my finished baked chicken and rice with vegetable. Continue to like, continue to subscribe to my channel, and if there's anyone who they have watched my video and they want to subscribe, if it's okay with them and they want to subscribe, they could go ahead and subscribe if they want to. To all my new subscribers, thanks to subscribe to my channel and welcome again. Okay guys.